Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for taking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Rogue Company unavailable to connect to server error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. Without further ado, let's get on with the video. So the first fix that you can do is to fix the internet connection. So before all, just check whether you have a stable connection. So do a speed test in your browser. And if it isn't working, so if you play on, you can do the Wi-Fi change to Ethernet cable or vice versa. So if you're using Wi-Fi, try using Ethernet cable, or if you're using Ethernet cable, you can try changing into Wi-Fi instead. And then if that still doesn't work, you can start a hotspot and try to launch the game on that connection. So this can be an easy fix, and most of the times it will work. However, if you still have problems, you can try the second method, which is to use VPN. So to use VPN, you can download a VPN service on your device and you start it up and connect to a different region server. And you can check if the problem solved by launching the game again and then check if the problem is fixed. So in many games, there seems to be compatibility issues with certain region servers. So you can change it using a VPN service and see if that works. So this fix is only available or is only doable if you're using a PC. And then last, what you can do is to reinstall. So if all else fails, it might be time to consider reinstalling the game. So there are many factors at play, and this issue might arise from a banned install or a corrupt one. So to mitigate it, you can reinstall the game. But however, if before you do that, just make sure that the Rogue Company servers are live and running. Like before, um if they aren't, you will need to wait for some time before jumping into the Rogue Company. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.